Manufacturing plywood boards. Thanks to the image quality and resistance of plywood boards, they've become the ideal material for manufacturing crates for fruit and vegetables. Most of the recyclable grow wooden crates used to pack fruit and vegetables are made with black poplar or pine plywood boards. Black poplar is a sustainable crop that grows quickly. Over 137,000 hectares of black poplar are cultivated in Spain. Castile and Leon is the main production region, as it cultivates over 60% of the total amount cultivated in Spain. The tree absorbs large quantities of CO2, which is stored in the wood as carbon. This helps towards slowing down climatic change. Wood from one black poplar tree can make over 700 small crates to transport almost 2 tons of fruit. The cultivation of black poplar also contributes to rural development. For every 3 hectares of black poplar, 1 job is created in the sector. The tree is cut down when it's 15 years old, and 180 cubic meters of wood are obtained from each hectare of planted forest, the equivalent of 6 shipping containers. When the timber reaches the factory, the bark is stripped from the trunk whilst damp. It's then cut according to the width of the board to be made. Once the trunk is centered, it turns against the blade, producing a 1 mm thick continuous peeled layer of wood. The peeled wood is taken by conveyor belt to be cut to the required lengths. The wood is still damp and has to be dried at a temperature of approximately 150 degrees centigrade. The industrial heat required for the drying process is generated by biomass boilers, which are run on wood waste generated during the plywood manufacturing process. Once the wood is dry and cut to size, it is classified according to quality and the number of layers required for the plywood boards. Boards used to manufacture wooden crates are 3 mm thick. The wooden sheets are stuck together using special glues suitable for use with food. During the pressing process, the combination of heat and pressure hardens the wooden sheets to obtain a resistant plywood board. All that is left now is to cut the plywood to size using the squaring process. The board is sanded down to adjust the thickness and obtain a suitable finish upon which brands can be printed. The plywood board is sent to the crate factories, where it's marked and cut to size before being assembled into wooden crates. Fedemco represents wooden crate manufacturers and the majority of their plywood board suppliers in Spain.